Welcome back to another video. I just got a new game. It took 10,000 million years to load literally. Drunk Bar Fighting 2 Early Access. It's laggy. Alright.
People in war-torn countries don't realize I have you. You're trying to kill me, you're gonna have to do vaguely better. You would just, this might be my first fight, but it will be your last. Better get your wallet out because you don't know true pain until you have fought a mildly depressed. You're trying to kill me, you're gonna have to do vaguely better than that, bud.
Got a problem with me now? Got a problem with me.
This might be my first fight, but it will be your last. Better get your wallet out because whoever loses this fight pays my phone bill. You don't know true pain. That hurt way more than I was kind of hoping you'd kill me. You hit me just like my I can feel my mild depression.
Nutcracker. You get it? Such a good joke. Alright, bro. Yep. Anyone else? I'll take it.
In your backyard.
Alright, that room's clear. Let's break some stuff over here. No, actually. I don't want it, son. They don't know how to call. Let's see what's out of this world. Take me to the bar.
In your backyard.
Post about it too. Look, if I say yes to that, I'll get canceled. Holy crap, quick! Tag me so everyone knows I'm here. You fight like someone who has I don't start drama, okay?
I know how to fight, bitch. Oh yeah. Come on. Come on. I don't know how to actually fight. I actually do.
I lied. This totally was my secret. Oh my god, how many followers did I lose during that fight? Don't care. me to suffer for at least a week.
Bye. What's here? Oh, is it one of those cricket bats? What's this? Yo, bro, do you know what this is? Hey, yo, bruh, you know what this is?
Something my alimony.
Okay, when that happens to Naruto, it's one thing, but here,
You're messing with the guy. I'm here to pull women, not do whatever this is. If I do that, everyone will wake up alone. Look, I'm here to pull. If I do that, everyone will wake up alone.
You fight like an ugly little bitch.
I just saw my pro on it, so go.
no means no, then yes.
Bye bye.
Yes.
Need to change that. What's this? No, I wanna know what that is. No, give me that. Give me that. I want that.
There's a lot of things that I'm into that I won't talk about, but that's not one of them.
Wait, what, Mom? I don't have homework.
Why not? I'm in the union. Good luck firing me.
I don't know what I just
Bad
did.
of Jotaro versus Io. I'd be a fool to turn down such an invitation.
I just wanted to fight some people. I didn't want to do them like that. God.
Why did your body decide to do that?
You keep on telling your lies, but no one hears your roots when you cry.
Ever since I've been 12, I've been fascinated with the concept of childhood. I can't believe I'm allowed to be around this many people now. I tipped my fedora in approval. Sorry, I don't think you want me saying yes.
Yeah.
That is just
Yeah,
how
sure.
when gets her monthly Sid visit. When Jennifer
Wait.
Connelly married Paul Bettany, she brought
Let me
a
fight
lot
him.
of pain and
Hey,
depression.
Mom, watch me real fast.
In your backyard.
Come on. Might not be no professional fighter, but I still can hit some hits. If I come to the bar this often,
You're supposed to lightly touch a person.
lightly touch a person, nah, bro. You started all this.
Also studied martial arts. Oh!
Hey,
Okay,
it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. It's okay.
you're supposed to lightly touch a person if you want to establish a psychological connection. Jennifer Connelly is never going. I think I'm gonna try. I'm just jealous that Jennifer Connelly is never going to leave her husband for me now after this.
Isn't that a fun flight? Because I obviously wouldn't know.
Yo, what's up? Alright. Since I already had a lot of drinks that I broke just earlier, I'm not gonna get a drink. Why is there no juice?
think I have the liver of a 19-year-old. Think again, baby. Me and my spirit animal are not a great choice.
Maybe if I was a little bit older, sure, but no.
Okay, that's gross. Does anyone have a personal maid to clean that?
It's like Kristen and Dion.
You keep telling your lies, but no one hears your roots when you cry. How you worked your way into my life.
What the?
Why the fuck is everybody trying to cause a problem? People lose their mind, never try to solve them. You don't know my history, but it's clear for you to see.
Why don't you go guzzle down some more of that watered down clearly all the people before.
Talk about me, live your life, it's all free. You can't put a price on me.
I said you're too old for me! This is genocide! Where are my magic crystals? I need some serious positive energy right now.
Oh, that was body.
Why the fuck is everybody trying to cause a problem? People always try, but they never try to solve them. You don't know my history, but it's clear for you to see. Look at your glass and it's looking pretty empty. Listen to the tales and the way they talk about me. Live your life, it's all for free. You can't put a price on me. Have the words, yeah, your feelings are making it hard. Yeah, the grass ain't not much greener in your backyard.
That's cool and all. We need a new taxi.
You keep on telling your lies, but no one hears your roots when you cry. I often ask myself why and how you worked your way into my life, into my life. Why the fuck is everybody trying to cause a problem? But they never try to solve them. You don't know my history, but it's clear for you to see. Look at the glass and it's looking pretty empty. Listen to the tales
Pick,
and the way they
pick.
talk about me. Live your life, it's all for free. You can't put
Alright, let's see what we got here.
in your backyard.
Now let's go Griffin.
Your greed is disgusting. You would just let me use your... you don't know true pain, so you better get your wallet out because whoever loses this fight pays my phone bill. This might be my first fight, but it will be your last. If you would just let me use your credit card when I want, it wouldn't have to come to this.
Want some?
If you're trying to... You don't know true pain until you have fought a mildly depressed guy like myself. Better get your wallet out because whoever loses this fight pays my phone bill.
Yep, I love to.
This might be my first fight, but it will be your last. If you would don't start, bud. I am in danger. You don't know true pain until you have fought a mildly depressed guy like myself.
Okay, let me sit. Come on now. I want to say chill today. Yep.
In your backyard.
I'm honestly feeling nice.
Fine, I'll pay my half of the rent in 3 months. Can we settle this on the internet instead?
You keep on telling your lies, but no one hears your roots when you cry.
Fine, I'll pay my... Can we settle this on the internet? You better get your wallet. This might be my... If you would just let me use your credit card when I want, it wouldn't have...
My third act. Hope you get some gossip.
Hey! Sorry.
I'm not interfering, so let's do it.
Capitalism pig. I'm to harness the power of my...
Sorry, bro. But I said to her, I'm honestly want to be chill. I said it to my roommate.
Time to harness the power of my magic crystal. Ow, my neck.
Alright, get her over here now.
Capitalism pig. Time to... What if my magic crystal's working? One for my neck. Do you for this little girl? This is genocide. Hope you get some... Capitalist, what if my magic crystal's working? Time to harness the power of my magic crystal.
Magic crystals, really?
I don't know about you.
Genocide.
I'm not shooting at Tom.
Good God, you suck.
Alright, fellas, I think we could say we're good. Say we're good.
My doctor said yoga this month is back. I just throw it at
Come on. I had a problem with the other girl.
Where the hell did that come from? I love giving
I said to everyone.
I'll give you the
let's-
same answer the judge gave me.
Alright, let me take a shot.
No. I'll never say no to a You're gonna go out in the car. Might as well be in a Okay, this is just like with the turbo car. Kids in my crew.
Yeah, I'm feeling nice.
I play by my own rules, so no.
Alright. Thanks.
When I'm alone, you won't believe the kind of I've got a party till the new hockey game be closed up. This is just like when I had CJ. That's a hard yes for me. Actually, I'll have to say no.
I don't care what it is. Is that a lighter? I see. Alright. No. Now.
wait to work up a nice close baby your ass. That's why my kids don't
Hey,
go to studio with my dad used to do. See you in hell. Only losers wear helmets when they ride them. I can't wait to work up a nice close baby your ass.
in your backyard.
Mambo's off party this month, yeah.
Not right now. I'm in between jobs. Hey man, that's sick. Why don't you let God take over your autopilot?
let's play a real game.
My voice will be good. Hold on. Let me get a picture of this in my family's group chat. That shit might fly in China, but not here. It feels good to just be able to say no and be heard every once in a while. This is what it must have looked like at Independence Hall on July 4th, 1776. I just noticed when I'm reading up.
Hold on, let me have Syria. That's contagious. I need at least 4 more shots before I can black out. I'm starting to get some real Mandalay Bay 2017 party vibes right now.
Does anyone have a good torrent for Event Horizon?
Oh, you drink 10 beers tonight?
What are you, 5?
Cut it out, y'all two.
I just got a picture of all this the moment my mom pressed my
That's unbelievable.
Oh, this is the price I pay for this.
Boom, boom, against each other.
Oh, I guess it's...
Ah, come on.
Oh, I guess it's the
I hate
price I
this.
pay for exposing the global agenda.
I thank you for watching. Bye.